In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a transaction in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever had a single charge that covered multiple things, like a store run that included office supplies and a client lunch, splitting that transaction helps you categorize each portion accurately. It keeps your reports clean, your taxes easier, and your books true to reality. Start by heading to the accounting section on the left panel. This is your hub for accounts and registers. From there, go to the account where the transaction lives. That might be your checking account, savings, or a credit card. Wherever the bank feed or register shows the transaction you want to work with. You'll see a list of transactions for that account. Find the transaction you want to split and click on it to open the editing panel. This panel lets you see and adjust details like payee, category, and amount. Look toward the bottom of this panel and click Split. That opens a separate window designed specifically for dividing the transaction into multiple lines. In the Split window, you can categorize portions of the total to different accounts. For example, part of the amount might go to office supplies, another part to meals, or even a portion to a project or customer if you track that. Enter the amounts line by line. A key tip here: make sure the amounts you enter add up exactly to the original transaction total. QuickBooks will usually show you the remaining balance as you type, so you can keep an eye on it. You can add as many lines as you need, which is helpful for receipts with lots of items. As you fill in each line, you can add details like a memo for clarity, or assign classes and locations if your company uses them. These extras don't change the steps, but they do make your reporting more meaningful later. If a charge mixes business and personal spending on a business card, you can allocate the personal portion to the appropriate owner's equity or personal expense account, and the business portion to its proper category. Once everything looks right and the total matches, click Apply and Accept. QuickBooks saves the split and updates the transaction in your account list. It's a good practice to take a quick glance at the register afterward to confirm the split appears as expected. If you ever need to adjust it, just open the same transaction again and use Split to make changes. That's all there is to it. With a few clicks, you've turned a messy, mixed expense into clear, accurate records.